Hi, welcome to Makriza Made Me Cook. I'm a principal, Mashagun, Zuzagana Sumheche, Uma Singli. So today we're in Kanini Township and with partnership with Ingwe Breweries. We've got this beautiful product known as cream tartar, which is going for 90 cents by the shops. So we're here to explore the township and to discover familiar places like Go Food for Less, there is an island, Go Chashas, Masochen, but also to get the history of this beautiful place. And also we'll be joined by two guides from the Highlanders Kanini chapter, Usisinger, the Prince Undlo. So yeah, I'm excited for this shoot and also the food. So please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, welcome to this edition of Bulawayo's Townships.
13 kilometers from the steel and stone of Bulawayo city center lies a place named after a famous African tree established in 1993. This is Emganwini.
Alright, Emganwini into esithanda ngawe ukuthi ile diversified abantu of different diversity and bahlala endaweni ezitshiyeneyo futhi abantu bankhona. We've got peace, ngasho nje ukuthi ukuthula Emganwini, abantu babambene, yabo.
Mina ngithanda kakhulu Emganwini ukuthi kule age group yethu like between 30 and 50 baningi. So sile youth eningi Emganwini. So abantu abaningi aba-own izindlu ngapho ngama youth. And then kuphinde kube nabantu abadala abayibo abayiqalisayo Emganwini. Nasemasocheni abantu ababelisili impi labo bakhona. So konkwani ukuthi kule youth so sile mbono eminingi bo Emganwini.
95. Yes, ufika lapha Emganwini. Yeah. Sasithi uma singakahlali lapha sihambela kwezindawo, uma uhambelo laba abavakashi abahlala emalokishini la esasithi ngamakhiwa ngaleso sikhathi. Sasitshengiswa ukuthi lezana ezingale yikho lapho kuya kwakhiwa khona Emganwini. Sahlala sikwazi ukuthi Emganwini sithe sesisiza ngapha ngoba indlu futhi ngathaba njani lokhu zwele senthindelwe ini ngoba sasibhalisa sentindele ukuthi indlu Emganwini.
Emganwini takes its name from a giant of the African savanna, the marula tree, known locally as Umganu. Like the tree itself, this township was planted with the intention of providing shade and sustenance to a diverse population. Its initial inhabitants to the thousands who call it home today, Emganwini stands as a testament to the city's southward expansion.
Mina nginguzandile Mpofu, ngithetho kwaMaseko. Lapha sisemganwini koma 12 and 13. Sifike Emganwini uhlupho lwaluyi transport. Sasigada ama-Peugeot kule bus okwakuthiwa nguKukura. Ibhasi leyo yayihamba sibili ngena konke kubo Glenkara ngale. Hayi kwakuluhlupho sibili ukuthi ungathiwa yibhasi. Sasigadela ngale kuma lokhuzeni kuma 18. Kulaphe okwakuyibhasi stop khona. Uvele etown wawusehlela khona phana. Kumbe uthwele suzacela ukuthi hayi qoki bakithi bencela abantwana benthwalise. Uzuzofika ke ekhaya.
Hayi imtshova sasigada hayo i-street wayingekho. I-street iqalise ekhathesi nje. So sebengena uPlumtree Road kodwa kahle imtshova vele besigada keta 7 ibuye keta 6 ibisibuya ke sizosichitha la. Sasigadela lapha esihlahleni. Sasigadela esihlahleni. So sasisenza iline esihlahleni lapha ibuye imtshova amabhasi abuye khona phana sicuphe. Lanxa sokuntambama basilethe futhi.
To the outsider, this is an ordinary township. However, to the local, it is a map of memories, the landscape, a patchwork of distinct territories, the island, Emasocheni, and a section called Millennial.
Izindlu lezi sazingena zingama 2 rooms. Lokho kuthiwa khathesi ama-matchbox. Yayibona indaba? Kulezikhala zamawindi kuphela, kungalamawindi, kungalazivalo. So sasidinga amaplastiki sivala, ulala labantwana bona ababolabo. Khonapho ku-2 room. Ngendethu kwawungala ngenye indlela okuyikuthi khona nxa suthabele ukuthi usuthole ngokwakho. Uyabona? Awusela ukuthi uyathini. Sokumele lawe likwane khonapho.
Sile ndawo eMasocheni. iMasocheni yakhiwa layo qaqa. Kusakhelwa amasotsha. Sizokuba le island. I-island yakhiwa yabizwa kuthiwa i-island ngoba isihlenge esincane izinto zakhona kaziziningi kakhulu njengezethu ngapha. Sizokuba le Glencare. Yona yakhiwa kuhle sibili, izindlu zakhona ayiphetheni yakhona yayinhle ukwedlula ezethu ngapha. So kwakhanya ngazani kusesikhiweni ngale. Yikho yabizwa kuthiwa iGlencare ngoba lathi vele sasithi ngale makhiweni yikho bavala le bus. Ngokuya kwakhiwa iMillennium. Millennium babesuka number 5 esidotshiwe. Kodwa kathesi abasafuna ukuthi kuthiwa babehlala esidotshiwe. Sekuthiwa hayi ngabe Millennium.
Thina sikhule kuyikuthi khona abantwana bayavuka baye-club, bayedlala, abadensayo, abahlabelayo, i-table tennis, uyabona? Lebhora. Sasikwazi ukuthi kwakukhona. So into engiyifisela lapha emganeni ngifisa ukuthi lathi basiphakamise. Ngendlela ukuthi 1 asila office lapho esithelela khona ama-rent. Kumele nxa sisuka lapha siye eNkhetha 6 kumbe siye eThablo. 2 iclinic. Yabona sesiyindawo enkulu kathesi. Ukuthi ngabe sile klinika eyokubelethela omama kakhulu. Umama nje ukuthi wathole indawo. Kube lezinto ezinjalo eduze khona. Kodwa so seze sedlula la eCountry Park esilakho yonke.
This community is defined by more than just its boundaries. It is defined by its pulse. On the 28th of July, that pulse found a new rhythm with the birth of Emganwini Highlanders chapter. As Highlanders FC approaches a century of existence, 100 years of heritage, these dedicated supporters are ensuring the institution's influence reaches every corner of the city.
The main reason why we started a chapter here, a supporters chapter, was to cut the bridge from the main executive, Labantu Emganwini. Basically, into esiyenzayo, we're taking Islanders to Emganwini. Uthi wonke umuntu ebeyazi ukuthi hayi Emganwini la isupporta i-Islanders.
All right, actually, Emganwini chapter is the second chapter Bobulawayo. Our brothers, abakuqala being in Country Park, they need to susba a second chapter Bobulawayo. Then kulamanye obvious futhi ama chapters outside Bulawayo say we're emphasizing on ukuthi sithi Bobulawayo lapha thina yithi abes2. Oy. Tama last born owamanje.
In Emganwini, being a fan is more than a hobby. It's a declaration of identity. It is about promoting the beauty of the neighborhood through the lens of a club that is the heartbeat of Bulawayo.
100 years is such a huge milestone. So Tina, as Emganwini, we are looking forward for a change. because we need to embrace a change in doing things. We are looking forward to see winning championship, which is the core business of EE Islanders. We need the championship.
The most important thing is that Islanders is not just a club. It's now a culture of not only Bulawayo but Zimbabwe and the rest of the world. So what we want to happen is for the rest of the world, the rest of Zimbabwe, the rest of Bulawayo to really know the grassroots of how it was built, why they started Islanders. And moving forward, like what VC has said, that we're meant to go back to where we were, winning championships, winning everything, people's hearts. Yeah, that's basically what we're looking forward to in the 100-year celebration and going forward.
In the streets of Emganwini, the true economy is found in the aroma of meals, prepared from simple ingredients. Like any great urban center of Africa, this township boasts of street food, where a single dollar could be the key to a filling feast. Commonly regarded as dollar deals, patrons like Mamoyo offer a diverse menu of dishes like Isitshwala is the main starch, with goat meat, intandela, ezangaphakathi, amacimbi and other organic indigenous relishes.
Umuntu nxa efuna ukubuya emganwini kuya ngokuthi usukela nga. Emganwini yaconnecta wonke amalokishi from Country Park. Alright, anyway, nxa ubusukela e-town uyakatela ko-Hyper. It's either ukata ko-Hyper, TM Hyper ye-CBD, ukati umchova Mbayiwa oza kuya lawe via Plumtree Road. Bekhona emasiye phambili flyover, ungene ngasenketha, ubhodela ese-Island. Emganwini Island, then ubusuku usuphelela lapha eRome esiflathele khona. Or alternatively, uyakwanisa ukugada e-Western Union or go-Carpo.
Okay, then now usebenzisa your private vehicle if you are from town. So uyabuya ngo-Main Street uJoshua Mqabo, straight, and then udlule eBelmont, ungene Plumtree Road. Straight, then suza 10 off Emganwini, udlule eSporweni, then subuya ku-Tasha's to Food for Less, eMasotsheni ngale. That's how you get to Emganwini. Okay, as E-Islander supporters chapter, to join, we've got our numbers, that's now whom you can contact. So we've got summer subscriptions that we pay on a monthly basis. Yeah, so we've got our subscriptions. So once you call, you become a member. We've got a probation period and our rules and regulations that we have. But everything that we do is basically what E-Executive Islanders does. So we're just a subcommittee of the main executive.
We're just an extension.
Yeah.
Extension is Emganwini.
As the daily life continues in Emganwini, we are reminded that a city is not only made of buildings. It is made of the roots we plant in the places we call home. The essence remains, the history continues, just like the tree, Umganu.
Thank you for watching this documentary on Emganwini Township, which was established in 1993. And we spoke about a lot of sections from Marula, from Food for Less, from Island. And also a big shout out to the Emganwini Islanders chapter who gave us an overview of this township, and also Gogolokulu, Mr. and Mrs. Umaseko. Ngithanda ukubonga lo mama osiphekela ukudla okumnandi. Wasekela uthi sixoxe endaweni yakhe la phekela khona. Umamoyo ungathola ithuba ukuthi ubuye ngapha eMganwini, please visit his stall, visit the stand and taste the food. But yeah, beautiful history. If you're from Ganwini or you know someone from Emganwini, please in the comment section below, akusitshele nje imbali what you love about this township, which is named after a tree. A big shout out also to Ingwebu for sponsoring this shoot with their cream tartar edition. Try it out, it's only 90 cents at your retail stores. This is Prince Sibal Mahlangu. Remember, keep the love, keep the wound. Towards. Jean,